You've got Eulalio, Custodio, and Jose. Let's see how Jose manages these two new names in the front line together. If she can maximize getting points with these two in front.
Well, first you gotta get the things up, the passes to her, huh?
Yeah, that's right.
So good showing there by NU.
That was Mangi with an outside set from Soliven.
The ever reliable Mangi,
Yes.
who knows how to put it away against any team, actually. Jose, with middle, Eulalio. Nice defense there by NU. Custodio this time goes up. Simon. Tumandi. Whoa!
She touched the net ng Gigel. Seeing that there were no blockers in front of her, sabi niya, todo na to. Sumabit sa net.
Kung pumikit ka at pakinggan mo lang yung dating ng bola,
Yeah.
alam mong patay, alam mong kill. Kaya lang, wala sa posisyon eh. Lumabas eh.
Eh, taso hindi nakapikit yung referee.
Oo nga. Never nakapikit ang ating mga referee.
Kitang-kita yung pagsabit sa net. But another service error. Wow, from FEU. They serve hard, but when they also risk that error in the serve, in the process.
If you choose between really difficult serves to consistent serves, you probably want to go with the latter because then it's safer. Three-man block with coverage by NU. Mangi goes up. Cabana tries to keep the ball in play.
Trying to get Mangi. Very reliable frontliner for NU. And we've known her to be like that even last year and the year prior to that. Siya lang talaga yung medyo may consistency na makapuntos for NU.
Last time out, she scored 18 points against FEU.
47 points for Taganas. One of the few times we're going to see the libero of FEU Taganas with a receiving error.
Si Taganas, parang ano yan eh. Kasabay-sabay yan nila, Liz Niaga. Kaya mga sarang panuorin at doing their defensive chores. Of course, FEU, a traditionally strong team in women's volleyball. Ever since.
That's right.
20-plus championships in,
I think they have the most.
In their trophy case.
Yeah, among
Dami.
other teams.
And always figuring in the Final Four. I mean, they were the finalists last year. Again, smarting a little bit with the loss of the likes of Rachel Daphne as well, and momentarily the loss of Shira Gonzalez into that nice point off the block there, or through the block, should we say.
But it's just a 2-point lead right now for FEU, so NU hanging tough here in the first set.
Mangi, this time sends it outside. That one is untouched by the double block.
Oh, there was a touch, I think.
Somebody at the net again?
Yes, that's right. Good call by first umpire Jojo Hugo. Because there's a touch in the block right there from April Jose. And the linesman failed to see it, but first referee Hugo is reversing the call, yes.
And it's Mangi. It's always Mangi. Vivas, on the other hand, is Doug. Mangi covers her own hit there. Ang ganda rin anticipation na hindi alam nila babalik yung bola. Mangi tries to go long. She tries to go past the block. Well, she's all over the place. That time for
this is the longest.
And Mangi again. Taganas answers that one. Pianco tries to put it away. No, says Simon. The middle now. Oh, an attempt at a pancake save there for April Jose. No go. Nice rally.
That's right. That was worth 5 points.
Yan.
If we can allow it. And
wow, look at this. 12 all now.
Tama. Oh, that's too close. That's an overreaching call on NU.
All right, we have a report from Joe De Leon at the FEU bench. Joe?
Yes, Chicky, I talked to Coach Ness a while ago regarding Shira Gonzalez, and he said that don't expect to see her on court soon. He said that she hasn't practiced in a month and wants to ease her back into the rotation. Now, aside from that, he said he's looking for some improvement in his team's play. He wants better blocking and more consistent serves, but stressed that reception is still going to be key for the game today. Chicky and Ian?
Thanks a lot, Job. Too bad for Shira, no? But I guess she knows she knows how she feels.
That's right. And tama yung sabi ni Joe, parang binibreak in pa lang ni Coach Ness, hindi binibigla. Just join the warm-ups, just be in the game, get to wear the uniform again, and who knows, come the Final Four, if FEU does make it, pwede na ulit isabak sa laro itong si Shira.
And Job also mentioned something that's quite evident here in the game of FEU so far. Hindi nga makaporma si April Jose kasi hindi siya nabibigyan ng magandang pasa. No?
The reception pa rin is key for not only for NU but also for FEU and Eulalio. Doing a good job at the serve. Has had 2 or 3 service aces right now. 3
straight points for FEU. They allowed NU to tie it up, but
just
another service error. It's only a 2-point lead for FEU. It's a good place for NU to be because they're well within, they're within reach. Vivas running attack, perfectly executed there.
That's right. Good job by April Jose to split the block of NU, giving Vivas an open lane.
16-13, we're on our second technical timeout. We'll be right back. Back at the arena in San Juan, FEU with a 3-point lead. But Ian, looking at the performance of both FEU and NU, you can say that NU is playing a better game overall, no?
That's right.
I mean, considering what we already know they can do. In other words, FEU can show so much more than what they're showing right now.
That's right. This is actually the problem of NU, Chiki. Whenever Mangi is in the back row, doon lumalayo yung kalaban eh. So wala siyang karelyebo. Walang kasangga whenever she moves back to that back row position. And normally NU gets the points back whenever she moves in front. But you need to have someone there all the time. Just like what FEU has. Ang FEU, miski sinong ilagay mo sa harap, especially with a good setter in April Jose, they still manage to pile up the points, whatever rotation they're in.
And Lumay Viva sends that serve outside. A break for Team NU. Although they have 4 points they need to make up now. And yun talaga ang... That's unfortunate for NU. Actually, that also explains why Mangi is able to stay up there as one of the best scorers. It's because she's given so many chances to score. Cabana just sends that one over. Simon playing setter now. Si Simon isn't always a setter. The last game we covered, she was used as a open hitter.
The problem was Sullivan was not, the reception wasn't exact to Sullivan. That's why it was Simon picking up the sets.
We have a timeout.
Tayo. Sino ba mag-opensa dyan? Wala tayo receive. So ganyan sa receive, Jen. Pakita ka sa gitna. Target na yung kasama mo. Pakita ka. Kunin mo lahat na receive. Pwede, ha? Kasi dahan-dahan na sa set. Masyado mataas ang set natin. Yung mga spiker natin nanunula eh. Set mo lang na maayos. Dahan-dahanin mo lang. Ha? Sige lang tayo. Malayo pa yan. Tsagay lang natin. Okay? Sige.
Kaya pa yan.
Kaya pa rin naman, 19-14.